Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start by observing error signs on your Apple TV and connected television. Check for on-screen messages like no signal, home screen freezes, or playback errors. Confirm the Siri remote responds by pressing menu and home buttons together for 3 seconds. Try restarting the Apple TV using settings or by unplugging power for 30 seconds immediately. Swap the HDMI cable or port to rule out cable failures quickly and test a different input. If a different TV shows the same issue, proceed to network troubleshooting next. Next, check network connections and streaming performance on your Apple TV. Use a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band or wired Ethernet for reliable video playback. Run a speed test aiming for at least 25 Mbps download for HD streaming. Update TV OS via settings to install bug fixes and compatibility improvements. If updates fail, reboot your router and then retry the Apple TV update after 1 minute. Sign out and back into your Apple ID to refresh authorization for rented or purchased content. Now address persistent hardware issues and full Apple TV resets when needed. Force restart the Apple TV by holding menu and home until the light blinks, about 30 seconds. Use settings to perform a factory reset if problems persist after software and network steps. Back up any important TV OS data and note app settings before erasing the device. If hardware repair is needed, contact Apple support or an authorized service provider for diagnostics. After repair or reset, sign into Apple ID and test playback across multiple apps for confirmation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.